Hi viewers, welcome to another video. We've not been out for the past 2 or 3 days because it's been raining. So here we are, Alfreton train station. This train's going to Nottingham, 195 008 I believe, but it might be 006, I'm not too sure.
Northern service to Leeds via Barnsley, calling out Chesterfield, Drumfield, Sheffield, Meadow, Barnsley, Wakefield, Kirkgate and Leeds.
195 008, yeah. Mainly Mill, Ilkeston and Nottingham. The train coming in behind me is going to Leeds. It's a northern train. It might empty the platform actually. Got some chap here on the phone talking in a foreign language. 195014. Let's hope he gets on the train. I don't want him all day yapping in bloody foreign languages. If you're not subscribed yet, can you please subscribe?
Platform 1, 045, Northern service to Leeds via Barnsley, calling out Chesterfield, Drumfield, Sheffield, Meadow, Barnsley, Wakefield, Kirkgate and Leeds.
I recognise some of the passengers get on the train from Butterley Midland Railway Centre. One of them's a chap who sells the books at Swanwick Junction. The old gentleman with the walking stick. I don't know his name. Roy, is it Roy? I might be Roy, yeah. Don't know where he's going today. He's going to Leeds, is he? Or what? Something going on, is there? I see the workmen here working again, yep. And the platform's empty now. We turned up this morning and we just missed a train going south. It wasn't a passenger train, it's a freight train. I don't know what was on it, but we just missed it. So if you're not subscribed yet, can I ask you to subscribe please? Thanks. I recognise this man just come onto the platform. Must be Thursday. There's a regular on a Thursday, that is. That man just come in. Right, that train's going to Leeds. It's October the 3rd, I believe, yeah, and it's cold today. Right, let's hang around for some more trains for you lot, eh? Hope you find out watch our videos and subscribe, yeah. My spider senses are telling me something could be going on up in Leeds or somewhere, because the gentleman sitting down there doesn't normally get on the train. Excuse me. And he's just bought a train ticket to somewhere. And not only that, on the train that's just left, there are quite a few people I recognise from Midland Railway Centre going on the train. So there must be something going on in Leeds or Sheffield or Chesterfield for train enthusiasts. Anybody know what it is? Let me know in the comment below. There must be something going on. Train spotting. Is there a train coming in? Special train in Chesterfield or Sheffield? What, today's it? That's another. Making noise, isn't he? Yeah. Alright, anybody know what's going on in Chesterfield, Sheffield or Leeds? The train enthusiasts? Let me know in the comment below, yeah.
Sheffield, stop. Manchester Piccadilly, Manchester Oxford Road, Warrington Central, Widnes, Liverpool South Parkway and Liverpool 9 Street.
And this train is going to Norwich. 158770. It's stopping off at Thetford and then Norwich will be the last one. And if you're a fan of Dad's Army in the 1960s and 70s, you'll see there's a museum in Thetford where Dad's Army memorabilia is. And in the old days when it's being filmed, the cast and crew stayed at a hotel in Thetford after filming. So if you go to Thetford in Norfolk, you can go and see Dad's Army Museum. Yeah, like I said, in Thetford, Norwich, Norfolk, there's a Dad's Army Museum there where you can go in and see all the costumes and stuff they used when I was filming Dad's Army. There is also a statue of Arthur Lowe in Thetford by the bench. If you ever get there, you can go and pay a visit, yeah. There's something going on somewhere. There's a group of ladies behind me waiting for the next train. They've all got a ticket. I'm not too sure what's going on, but something's going on somewhere. Next train coming through the bridge is going to Liverpool. And here it comes to Liverpool Lime Street. It's Midlands Railway, 4 coaches. What number today is it? 532. On the back you've got 506. That should empty a platform again. So we know there's something going on somewhere up north for train enthusiasts. And that bunch of young ladies there getting on a train now, or going somewhere. Must be something special going on somewhere. Anybody know? Let me know in a comment below, yeah. That guard down the other end, he looks quite young actually. It's a very damp, chilly day today here. And off they go to Liverpool via Manchester. I've checked a real-time train website. Not sure if there's any more trains coming for another half an hour, so I'll give it a couple more minutes. And then I might have to retreat back into the walk because it's cold today. Things I do for you, eh? Oh yeah. Please subscribe if you're not subscribed. And I'll catch you in the next video. Yeah. It's so cold, I would say it's cold enough for snow, to be honest. There might be a freight train coming through in about 2 or 3 minutes. If we don't come through on time, then we call it a day, I think. And get this put onto YouTube, yeah. Take a look at this old bridge. It's been knocked down one day, being replaced by a lift on each side, and a new bridge. Won't be for a while though. There comes the train.
Platform 1. For the delayed 1010 East Midlands Railway service to Liverpool Lime Street,
158773 going to Liverpool Lime Street, East Midlands Railways. Here comes a freight train, sun's in the eyes. Right viewers, while it's quiet, the sun's decided to come out, thank goodness. It's a bit warmer than it was a couple of hours ago. The builders seem to have gone a bit quiet now. They was working over there, putting a new shaft in, but they've disappeared down there somewhere. Like I say, one day this bridge will be gone, and there will be a new bridge with a lift shaft somewhere that side and a lift shaft that side, where people like me can get up and across that bridge without having to struggle up the stairs. The Northern Line train to Nottingham. Can't make out a number at the moment because the sun's in the eyes. I think it's 195010, I'm not sure. Quite a few people getting off. No one getting on though. Yeah, 195010.
Wakefield, Kirkgate, Leeds.
195001, that is, to Leeds. So you're going to get a train, or do you want to go without him? Not getting in train, mate, no? Is he going to get on or not? Make your mind up. No, they're going to Liverpool by the looks of it. Next train, I think, for them. nearly missed that one, going fast he was, wasn't he?